AI boom.
You're looking lovely. The year is ending. It's quite an event. You're here for the launch of Food Expert. What
Yes. Well, in the lockdown, one thing we've learned is that we want good food. If not anything else, हम सब बंद थे, but everybody was experimenting with food. So it's lovely to be here, and it's festivity time and pre-Christmas, and we've all not been dressing up and going out. So we all look for a chance to get out and experience a nice evening with friends, and it's been really long. And yeah, so I'm really happy to be here. Yes, yes. I'm a sucker for Italian food. I love Italian food. I mean, Indian food, of course, is my always my favorite because we've grown up with Indian food. But second to Indian food is pasta and yeah.
Have a great evening.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Who's your photographer?
Merry
Should we
Christmas.
take a picture?
Yeah, of course.
Which is your photographer? Hi, sweetie.
Oh, baby.
Anuj, visuals ले लीजिए.
This side? Hi, Binaksha. Garu the picture.
Please wait.
I'm really not dressed.
Ready?
Should we just run across?
Yeah, run.
Otherwise, you were also waiting.
Ritu, Ayush is taking a bath.
Ayush is at the back.
Ready? So मैम लॉकडाउन के बाद इतना इवेंट पे आ रहे हैं आप after such a long time. It's a launch of Food Expert. What do you say?
I think it's great. I always attend almost every event of Ranjit's that I can, and every event is a super success. So I'm expecting the same from this one. And since it's all about food, I mean that's my place to be. Like that's the best.
Coming back to food, what's your favorite like cuisine you can say?
My favorite cuisine is maybe seafood and a little bit of seafood, a little bit of Italian, a little bit of Indian, everything. As long as it's food.
As you know, Food Expert is launching today. What wishes last year?
What?
It's launching today, right? So what wishes you want to give it?
What wishes I want to? I wish them all the very best, and I'm sure it's going to be great, and people are going to love it. And yeah, I mean all the best, and keep killing it as usual.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Meenakshi ma'am, yeah.
हाजी वो इधर है ले लो भाई
Done? Thank you.
I'm done.
भाई
Please.
So the year is ending and you know festivities begun a little bit. People have started moving out, and you're here for the launch of Food Expert. What do you have to say?
The heels are killing me because after almost 7 months I'm stepping out for an event and it feels good. It does. It makes you feel alive and be in front of camera again. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this because food is something that never goes out of fashion. And I'm tired of eating homemade food, so this is fun to taste some outside food.
You are a you know great foodie and you cook very well. And you know when it comes to food, what do you think that you know something that is sinful and something your favorite?
My favorite, I guess, food. Yeah, I guess good food made from the heart is probably it always turns out to be good. So yeah, I guess that's my favorite.
Thank you, Say, and you're looking lovely.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Dr. Aarti, आप खुद एक foodie हैं, एक nutritionist हैं, you know, you're here for launch of Food Expert. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
All the best to them, and I feel the food which is balanced, basically that nourishes the human nature. So the food has to be made in the good thought, and the energy should be balanced. All the ingredients should be perfect, which can balance each other. That's it. That's a food for me.
Thank you, Aunty.
Thank you so much.
साजन जी कंग्रेचुलेशन. सबसे पहले साल खत्म हो रहा है, सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है, इनबॉक्सेस स्केलिंग योर हाइट्स. आज आपका लॉन्च है ऑनलाइन, लोगो लॉन्च है ऑनलाइन मैगजीन का, फूड मैगजीन का. तो थोड़ा बताएंगे प्लीज, व्हाट इज द मैगजीन ऑल अबाउट? इट्स अ वेरी इनोवेटिव कॉन्सेप्ट.
Our magazine, digital magazine, it's a brand called Food Expert. So today we are launching the logo of the magazine. So soon, next month Jan, we are starting our website portal. It's about a food, chefs, cuisines, recipes, and it talks about the food culture, travel. Lot of it's like Food Expert. The logo is there.
फिल्म्स और फूड कैसे मैनेज करते हैं? There's so much happening with Inbox, with Sin City, now Expert, Royal Restaurants. So there's so much. Sajan ji, how do you manage?
Yeah, we are already into restaurants. So our brands like Sin City, 18th Century, The Great Indian Dhaba, under our company Royal Restaurants, are doing very well. So we thought to start one digital magazine. It's related to food, and again it will talk about restaurants. So it will be the same field. We comes from the film background. We are the producers, and I'm myself a director. So it's similar, the restaurants and film and fashion. My wife is also fashion designer, Anjum Qureshi. So we are mostly into capturing all.
Padma Shri Sanjeev Kapoor logo launch कर रहे हैं. And what better than that?
Yeah, I'm very excited about Sanjeev sir. He's launching our Food Expert logo, and it's our first event, and he's coming on board to launch the event. It's an exciting moment, and Padma Shri anyhow he's there.
2021 के क्या plans हैं? फूड इंडस्ट्री को लेके आप एक नया, एक नई पहचान बना रहे हैं with something, because इतने टाइम से कहीं ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि there is, because सब डिजिटल जा रहे हैं और एक ऑनलाइन मैगजीन है which वो कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है. What plans further?
Yeah, now the people are connecting that. I'm traveling to the restaurants and lot of things, the table reservations to food, talking about food, lot of things are connected with digital. So now also we are connected with digital only. So it's it now, I see the future of food industry also in digital, because today any chair is reserved in restaurants, it's through the digital only. So we are focusing on lot of digital works. So our restaurants also all going with digital registrations and sign-ups and everything. So very soon we are launching some the Great Indian Dhabas franchising all over India also. So I will talk later on that.
Thank you, Sajan ji. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Surprisingly,
Thank you, thank you.
So, talking about the launch today, you're here for Food Expert. What do you have to say?
I'm pretty excited because I'm a Bengali and I'm a foodie. So I'm looking forward to some interesting, things to, sample, taste and eat. And apart from that, this is a very, very good venture. I'm glad I'm here for the unveiling of the logo. And let's see how the evening goes. I'm looking forward to a lot of good food. So let's see.
So we have Padma Shri Have you been a fan of his cooking or his style of?
Who hasn't? I mean, he is the biggest name in Indian culinary, I guess, in the cooking world, and I think all over the world also. He's one of the most renowned names. So definitely, I'm looking forward to it, and because it is Sanjeev Kapoor sir, so I'm really looking forward to it because he's known to be one of the biggest names in our country and one of the top names in the world. So there's definitely a lot I'm looking forward to.
Are you missing the Big Boss house, John?
Yeah, I am, and but I'm glad I got out at the right time. I'll be very honest because the current scenario, the players that have come in right now, they are really down to business right from the first day itself. They mean business, and they've upped the game a lot. So all the best to the contestants who've already been in the season from the beginning, and to the new challengers. I mean, y'all are really entertaining us a lot. So kudos to you all.
जान सलमान सर का बर्थडे आने वाला है तो
Yeah.
कुछ आपकी तरफ से विश और एक गाना हो जाए कि आप मिले सलमान सर से।
मैं अब तक सलमान सर से मिला नहीं हूँ, हालांकि मेरे उनसे मिलने के प्लान्स है बहुत जल्दी. आई एम इन टच विथ सर्स टीम एंड होपफुली सून आई विल मीट हिम. एज फॉर सर्स बर्थडे, आई थिंक वी आर ब्लेस्ड कि सलमान सर हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हमारे कंट्री में वो पैदा हुआ. एक्चुअली आई थिंक वी आर ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज ही इज़ गिवन अस सच ब्यूटीफुल सिनेमा फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई कैन रिमेंबर. आई थिंक जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन उनके फैंस रहे हैं, एंड आई थिंक आगे भी काफ़ी मतलब आई गेस फॉर लाइक द नेक्स्ट एटलीस्ट 20 generations वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू बी सलमान खान फैंस. सो सलमान सर, इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस, थैंक यू फॉर द वर्क you've done. Thank you for giving us so many lovely films. Wish you a very happy birthday. And a personal favorite of mine, जो मेरे डैड ने गाया सलमान सर के लिए, आई थिंक आप लोग सबको पता ही होगा, हम दिल दे चुके सनम का ये सॉन्ग है. सो आई थिंक मैं इसके 2 लाइन्स गुनगुनाना चाहूँगा आप लोग के लिए. आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ माफ़ हो, टिक टुक तुम्हें देखती है, जो बात कहना चाहे जुबान तुमसे ये वो कहती है. That's my wish for Salman sir. Any other questions? Yeah, sure.
Binafsha, you met John? John, that's Binafsha.
Hello. Please come. Here or here? Okay.
यहाँ पे भी विजुअल्स इधर भी देखना. मैं जा रही सबको मिल गए विजुअल्स. आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए. जिसको नहीं मिले उनको आने दो आगे.
Massive crash.
Rohit, how big foodie are you?
I'm a very big foodie, and Sanjeev Kapoor has been like my favorite since the time I've been a kid. So I'm super excited to meet him today, and thank you everyone for inviting me over here.
Rohit, you're also making your acting debut in 2021. What are the preparations?
Preparations are like not to eat a lot of food. That's what I've been doing, and focusing on my diet, focusing on my acting skills. I have been able to entertain people through YouTube and Facebook till now. Thank you. So I hope that this my debut becomes a hit and I start to eat again. Thank you.
न्यू ईयर शुरू होने जा रहा है. एनी प्लान न्यू ईयर?
जो भी न्यू ईयर का जो प्लान था वो मैं ऑलरेडी इस साल में कर चुका हूँ. कोरोना
क्या
वायरस
क्या किया?
जो न्यू ईयर में लोग रेजोल्यूशन बोलते हैं कि मैं कम खाना खाऊंगा, मैं कम दारू पीऊंगा, कब एक्सरसाइज करूंगा, वो सारी चीज़ें मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ.
और कई सेलिब्रिटीज आजकल लॉकडाउन का पालन नहीं करते नाइट के लिए, उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहिए? मतलब
उन सबके लिए रूल एक होना चाहिए, सबके लिए रूल एक होना चाहिए, और अगर कोई पालन नहीं कर रहा तो वो उनकी बेवकूफ़ी है, उनको करना चाहिए।
ओके, बिग बॉस कितना देख रहे हैं? बिग बॉस काफी सुर्खियों में है, आपकी
मैं अभी भी शहनाज गिल को याद करता हूँ, शहनाज गिल को याद करता हूँ। तोड़ा कुत्ता टॉमी, साडा कुत्ता कुत्ता।
थैंक यू।
थैंक्स।